Hello and welcome to this video where I'm refurbishing our mid-century armchair. As you can see, the upholstery is very damaged, not pointing any fingers, but it was our cat who is responsible for this work of art. This chair has wooden legs and very worn out and dirty fabric. Between the legs and seat were four metallic ferrules. These two parts were pretty simple to tear apart, only a few screws that hold the seat and legs together. I wish I could have saved these little plastic parts unbroken, but I was too excited to break this chair into pieces. These wooden parts were glued together quite firmly, so I wasn't going to tear them apart. I was afraid they were gonna break. After a while, I was able to check out what this chair holds up inside. It seems there is a layer of hay inside. Is this something they used back in the 1950s? Perhaps. I Also found this cardboard-ish type of layer here. I had to remove it also. So here you can see the layers better. White cotton sheet on top, green foam, and a mixture of an old fabric and hay. Well, no wonder the backrest was hard as rock. Here's the chair without any fillings or fabric. I still have a lot of work to do to get all these rivets out. Some of them are too fragile to come off as whole, so the ones that don't come out have to go back in. Later, I will fill up these extra holes with wood filler. So, this part was probably my least favorite of this whole project. Not sure if I had the right tools for this, but scraping this paint and varnish was just horrible. There was hours of scraping and sanding ahead of me. I wish I loved sanding as much as Morley Care does. Also, I have to add that maybe it would have been more efficient to tear all the wooden parts off of each other. It would have made this task a lot more efficient. Sanding was finally done and I was able to start staining the legs. I chose this birch tone and I was quite happy with it. First I applied the varnish with a brush and wiped the excess product away with a piece of fabric. Instructions on this product said that you should apply at least 2 layers of varnish. So that's what I did. finish on the varnish wasn't as smooth as I had hoped, but it turned out okay. This was the first time I was using this product, by the way. Let's do the wood fillings! Part 2, you will see the seat upholstering, sewing, and a special guest. And of course, the final result. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching.